Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make your account private on Pinterest. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Pinterest, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Making your Pinterest account private is a good way to keep your pins and boards away from public view, especially that if your pin content related to personal subjects, ideas, or interests that you prefer to keep private. A private account helps prevent unwanted exposure. Of course, you can still share specific boards with select individuals without exposing everything on your profile, because a private account limits who can view your content, reducing the likelihood of, interactions or feedback. And of course, by making your profile private, you prevent search engines from indexing your Pinterest profile, which helps keep it out of the search results. Now, for us to be able to keep our account private on Pinterest, you can do this either on the website or your desktop or here on your mobile app. I want you to click on the profile icon at the bottom corner. And then go to the profile visibility, right? After that, you see, you can manage how your profile can be viewed on and off Pinterest. Now, on private profile, when your profile is private, only people you approve can see your profile, your pins, boards, followers, and following lists. If you want to keep your Pinterest account private, just click on this option right here. You also have an advanced option at the bottom where it says you can hide your profile and boards from search engines. If you want that, just slide it here, all right? Now, the thing is with Pinterest, a private account allows you to experiment with different ideas, designs, and projects without worrying about public scrutiny or the pressure to present a polished image. Making your Pinterest account private helps you maintain control over your personal information, manage your online presence, and create a more secure and focused environment for your interests and inspirations. Now, if you encounter any problems making your account private here in Pinterest, just hover down below here in the help center, and you might want to get in touch with the support staff and tell them you're having problems making your account private here on your Pinterest account, both on your mobile app and on the website. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.